How to fix problem with wireless adapter or access point on Windows 10. Here are some methods that would allow you to fix problem with wireless adapter or access point on your own Windows 10 PC. Method 1, connect your PC to the web via wired connection. Method 2, remove your current Wi-Fi profile. Method 3, make sure to use the correct password. Method 4, enable wireless adapter. Hint, if you don't see the enable button, your wireless adapter is working. Method 5, wireless router. Method 6, turn on WMM option for your router. Method 7, update net. Drivers. Method 8, flush DNS and reset TCP/IP. Run these commands as admin: IP protocol configuration /release, IP protocol configuration /flushdns, IP protocol configuration /renew, IP protocol configuration /flushdns, endstat r netshare int, IP reset netshare winsock reset. Temporarily disable antivirus software. Method 10, enable wireless network related services. Make sure the following service are started automatically: DHCP client, network connected devices, auto setup, network connection broker, network connections, network connectivity assistant, network list service, network location awareness, network setup service, network store interface service, WLAN auto config.